In this video, you'll learn how to check the feedback of any seller on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to evaluate a seller's reputation based on their feedback score and comments from previous buyers. Begin by logging into your eBay account using your credentials. Once you are signed in, locate the profile icon, which is typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that takes you to your public profile page. This page will provide you with a comprehensive view of your feedback score. On your public profile page, you will see your feedback score displayed prominently near your username. This score is expressed as a percentage indicating the ratio of positive feedback to total feedback received. It is essential to confirm this percentage rating as it directly reflects your standing as a seller. Additionally, review the summary counts for positive, neutral, and negative feedback, which provide insight into your overall performance. Next, to delve deeper into your feedback history, click on the feedback number associated with your score. This action will direct you to a detailed feedback page. Here, you can read comments left by buyers or sellers regarding their experiences with you. It is important to check the counts of positive, neutral, and negative feedback, as these figures help you understand how you are perceived by others. If needed, you can sort the feedback by date to analyze recent trends more effectively. Regularly monitoring your feedback page is crucial for maintaining a good reputation on eBay. Make it a habit to check this page periodically. If you encounter any negative comments, respond to them professionally and address any issues that may have led to dissatisfaction. Ensuring fast shipping and clear communication can significantly enhance your standing. Track your improvements over time, as consistent monitoring aids in your reputation growth. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.